Hey everyone, I am Gaurav and today I'm gonna show you how I switch between the apps very easily. Like suppose I have to open the terminal, then I can open this terminal very easily. And suppose I have to go to code, then I can very easily open the code. Suppose I have to open the browser, like this is the muscle memory for me. Suppose I have to open the code and then switch between the apps. Then I can switch between the apps very easily. Suppose I have to open the WhatsApp, then I can open the WhatsApp. Suppose chat GPT, then chat GPT. Suppose terminal, then terminal. So how I have created this setup? So for this setup I have used like this repository in order to make this setup. This is the TypeScript file which generate a cabiner JSON file. We can use this inside our cabiner software, which help us to customize our keyboard. So I have used this script, so I can show you in the code that in the rule.ts file I have done some changes. I've removed the application layer. So for using this script we are converting the caps lock as the hyper key. Why I am converting the caps lock as the hyper key? Because I mostly don't use caps lock, because suppose I have to write something in capital, then I use shift plus alpha keys in order to write in capital. So mostly I don't use caps lock, that's why I converted it into the hyper key. Hyper key means pressing the control command and option at the same time, so it will act like a hyper key. So if we are pressing caps lock plus J, it will switch us to the Chrome, and caps lock plus K to the Z, and caps lock plus L will be the wisdom. So similarly we can set the shortcuts for opening the other apps as well. So I have like if we are pressing hyper key, it will switch to the one layer of your keyboard. So if you are hyper key plus O, suppose if I am uncommenting the O, then hyper key plus O will switch to the application layer, where you can switch between the application. And when I am pressing hyper key plus S, it will activate my it will activate my settings layer of my laptop, where I can switch, increase the brightness and volume up down, change the music, all the things I can done with that system layer. And there is a Windows layer where we can tile our window using the rectangle. So this one is this for the system layer, all the configuration where you can see IJ, what we have to do with IJ and K, and all like this one is the Windows layer configuration for the rectangle. Or mostly I have uncommented the changes, because most of the part of this script I usually don't use them. So I've tried to keep the setup simple, and like where I can be most productive with this script. So change between the songs by while using my keyboards, and switch between the apps. So that's all from my side. Bye.